Hey, 7th grade world history, Mr. Hildebrand here. This video is to help explain what we did on the 23rd. So Wednesday the 23rd, last day before winter break. And it was a bonus point day, okay, bonus point. I know a lot of people, grades are kind of hurting right now. I know this distance learning is a struggle. I'm here to help you out, okay? So please, send me old work when it's finished. I will accept it right up to the last day of the market period. As long as it's quality stuff, I'll get you the points, okay? Now, having said that, sometimes it's a little helpful to get some bonus points, and that's what Wednesday the 23rd is all about. I'll show you what we were up to. If you go to the World History page, go to Modules, go to Week 18, Lesson Notes, and scroll down to Wednesday the 23rd. You will see that there is a YouTube video, and it is a cartoon of horrible histories. Okay, Rotten Romans episodes. It's about the Romans and what it was like to live there. So it's goofy because it's a cartoon. And then you see, after we watched this video, we watched it in class together, it said answer the discussion question for 10 bonus points. So if we click on this discussions, first off, if you click the video, it will play. Okay, you can watch the video if you didn't watch it with us in class. Watch the video because the discussion is about that. So if I click on the discussion, move myself so I can get student view so it looks like yours. Okay, it says Rotten Romans. Give me 1 second, folks. Let me open this up. I do have a lot. Okay, so I didn't unlock it yet. It will unlock on the 23rd, but by the time you're watching this video, it's probably unlocked by now. But this is what it kind of looks like. Okay, the question is, would you want to live in ancient Rome? Why or why not? You must use at least 5 examples from the Rotten Romans video we watched in class. So that's your question. Would you want to live in ancient Rome? Why or why not? Have to use 5 examples from the cartoon that we watched. Okay. Again, if you're not sure where the cartoon is, you go back to the Week 18 page. Let me go this way. It might be a little easier. Go to Modules, Week 18, Lesson Notes, down to Wednesday. Right here. You see the videos right there, so watch that. We watched it together in class, and then click on the discussion, and once you're done, you'll get your 10 bonus points. Awesome, folks. If you have questions or get stuck, let me know. You can send me an email, hop in office hours, something like that. But again, give me any work that you have for me as soon as possible so I can give you points. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.